Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare ubiquinol versus ubiquinone. These are the two primary forms of coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10, a vital nutrient for your body. We'll explore their distinct characteristics and how they function differently within your cells. Understanding these differences can help you make informed choices about supplementation. Let's dive into what makes each form unique and essential for your health. Ubiquinone is the oxidized form of CoQ10, often found in many standard supplements. Your body must convert ubiquinone into ubiquinol to utilize it effectively. It plays a crucial role in the electron transport chain, which is fundamental for producing cellular energy. This conversion process is natural, but its efficiency can vary among individuals, especially with age. Ubiquinol is the reduced, active form of CoQ10, meaning your body can use it immediately without conversion. It is a powerful antioxidant, helping to protect your cells from oxidative damage. Studies suggest ubiquinol is significantly more bioavailable, meaning it is absorbed more readily and efficiently by your body compared to ubiquinone. This makes it a popular choice for many. So, which form is better? For younger, healthy individuals, ubiquinone is often sufficient as their bodies efficiently convert it. However, for older adults or those with certain health conditions, ubiquinol is generally recommended due to its superior absorption and direct antioxidant benefits. Always consult a healthcare professional to determine the best option for your specific needs. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.